Near steady temperature in the mid-30s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Friday, cloudy. Highs in the mid-40s. Friday night, mostly cloudy. Near steady temperature in the upper 30s. Saturday, mostly cloudy. Highs around 50. Saturday night, mostly cloudy. Near steady temperature in the lower 40s. Sunday, cloudy. Chance of rain in the morning, then rain likely in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 50s. Chance of rain 70%. Sunday night, rain in the evening, then rain likely overnight. Lows in the lower 40s. Chance of rain 80%. Christmas Day, mostly cloudy. Rain likely in the morning, then
The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.
now the forecast.